So it is mentioned in Hadith that actually there will be king in Arabia, Saudi Arabia area, and Mahdi will come, will be recognized in Kaaba. Now situation, for example, like look at now, someone claimed they are Imam Mahdi. What will the government do in Arabia? They will send an army. That's what's going to happen. They will send an army to kill him, but that army will be swallowed by the earth. So then people will know this is not normal person, he is the true one. So once at least on whole of the earth, from east to west, north to south, his Khilafah or the Allah's system will actually prevail. But the thing is that the Prophet ﷺ again said, this will only last 7 or 9 years only. His Khilafah will only 7, because it was to fulfill a promise. It was not that it's forever happening. 7, 9 years it will be, the government will run in a good way. After that, when Imam Mahdi passes away, again people are fighting within each other, Muslims are fighting with each other, Kuffar have become dominant, and all these things. And then Day of Judgment is going to come, and Jews, Majus and others.